Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of life insurance provisions. I know, it sounds a little dry, but trust me, understanding these key points can save you a ton of confusion and help you make the most of your policy. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's break it all down. First up, let's talk about the entire contract clause. This is usually found at the beginning of your policy, and it basically says that the policy and the application form are the only things that make up your contract with the insurance company. No hidden documents, no sneaky fine print, just what's right here in front of you. This is your guarantee that everything is transparent. Next, we have the privilege of change clause. This one's pretty cool because it lets you make changes to your policy's coverage, like increasing or decreasing your benefits under certain conditions. Life changes, and your policy can change with it. Flexibility is key. Now let's look at the insuring clause. This is the heart of your policy. It's where the insurance company promises to pay a death benefit to your beneficiaries when you pass away. It also spells out how much you'll pay in premiums and how often. Think of it as the core promise of your policy. Here's an important one, the execution clause. After a certain period, usually 2 years, the insurance company can't contest the validity of your policy as long as you've kept up with your premiums. This is a big deal because it protects you from the insurer trying to deny your claim after that time has passed. Now let's talk about the incontestable clause. During the first 2 years, the contestable period, the insurer can investigate and deny claims if they find fraud or misrepresentation. But after that, they can't contest the policy, except for issues related to age, sex, or gender. Oh, and if you misstate your age, they can adjust your premiums. So always double-check your application. Here's a tough one, the suicide exclusion. If the insured dies by suicide within the first 2 years of the policy, the insurer won't pay the death benefit. It's a tough rule, but it's there to prevent fraud. Now let's talk about the owner's provision. This is all about your rights as the policy owner. You can 1. Change beneficiaries. 2. Decide how the death benefit is paid out. 3. Terminate the policy. 4. Adjust your premium payment schedule. You're in control! Next up, assignments. There are 2 types. 1. Absolute assignment. This is when you completely transfer ownership of the policy to someone else. Both are useful tools depending on your financial needs. Here's a lifesaver, the grace period. If you miss a premium payment, you usually have 31 days to catch up before your policy lapses. It's like a safety net to keep your coverage intact. Now let's talk about non-forfeiture options. If you stop paying premiums, you don't lose everything. You can. 1. Take the cash surrender value. 2. Choose a reduced paid-up option, a smaller, fully paid policy. These options ensure you still get some value from your policy. Here's a tax tip, the cost recovery rule. When you surrender your policy for its cash value, the amount you get up to the total premiums you've paid is tax-free. That's a nice little perk. Now let's talk about riders. These are add-ons that let you customize your policy. For example, 1. The waiver of premium rider waives your premiums if you become disabled. 2. The accelerated benefits. Rider lets you access part of your death benefit early if you're terminally ill. Riders are like the extras that make your policy fit your life. Finally, let's talk about exclusions. Most policies won't cover deaths caused by 1. War, thanks to the war exclusion clause. 2. High-risk aviation activities. These exclusions protect the insurer from high-risk claims. And there you have it, a breakdown of the key provisions in a standard life insurance policy. Understanding these can help you make informed decisions and get the most out of your coverage. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on navigating the world of insurance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.